President Mnangagwa must put an end to this. Sarimina mashoko buda panguva inoi atiri kuona kuti vakomana veZANU-PF from within vari kuuya panguva ino vachistopa Port Ngwarara vachiti aiwa ngouya achikudhistribhuta mari kwaari kungoita aiwa panguva ino kuri unchecked. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivinapenda vamapuranga mudanyira chiti. As someone who has spent decades in the disciplined ranks of Zimbabwe security establishment, I have seen the value of order, structure, and systems. I have also seen what happens when those values are discarded in favor of chaos, ambition, and unchecked egos. What we are witnessing today, Port Ngwarara's reckless public displays of cash handouts, is not just embarrassing, it is dangerous. President Mnangagwa must put an end to these circus. What kind of governance model allows a so-called presidential advisor to hand out envelopes of cash at rallies in full view of the public with no accountability, no structure, and no traceability? This is not empowerment. It is not development. It is not even politics. It is anarchy dressed up as generosity. Ngwarara needs to understand that leadership is not a performance, it is a responsibility. If he truly wants to support communities, then let him build systems. Let him work with the ministries, with the local authorities, with established institutions. Let him create sustainable mechanisms that uplift people, not fleeting moments of applause that vanish with the next convoy. You cannot rely on human beings alone. You need systems, you need checks and balances, you need governance. And frankly, I do not know where President Mnangagwa found this overzealous and wildly ambitious advisor, nor do I understand why he continues to tolerate this kind of behavior. Between Ngwarara's theatrics and Tagure's tone-deaf pronouncements, we are witnessing a distortion of leadership that undermines the very credibility of the presidency. These men speak in public as if they are untouchable, as if the constitution, the cabinet, and the people of Zimbabwe are mere spectators to their self-serving drama. They don't even know what they are talking about half the time. Mr. President, this is not the legacy you want. This is not the Zimbabwe we fought for. This is not how a nation is built. It is time to restore order. It is time to reign in the chaos, and it is the time to remind your advisor that power without discipline is a threat to the republic. Ndo mashoko oyachudzwa Ngwarara nemutungamiri wenyika Mazulamzo Mnangagwa chinzi your advisor uyu aiwa anokurasisai. Branco section medu zofungura ili matuli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like achitaona bell icon.